Hi, in this video we're going to do proportion, ratio and best buys. And the second diagram on this page I can see 4 black dots and 1 white dot. So what's the proportion of black? Well, there are 4 black dots out of a total of 5 dots, and 4/5 equals 80%. And what's the ratio of black to white? I can see 4 black dots and 1 white dot, so the ratio of black to white is 4:1, and therefore the ratio of white to black is 1:4. Now look at the top diagram. How many black dots and white dots can we see? Well, there are 4 black dots and 4 white dots, so therefore the proportion of white is 4 out of a total of 8. And we can simplify a fraction and say that 4/8 is the same as a half, because if we divide the 4 and the 8 both by 4 rather, we'll get 1/2. And what's the ratio of white to black? Well, there are 4 whites and 4 blacks, which means the ratio is 4:4. And again, if we divide both of these numbers by 4, we will get a ratio of 1:1. That means an equal number of blacks and whites, and we can have 1 part white and 1 part black. Okay, now we have a question. If you share £100 with your friend in the ratio 1:1, how many shares or parts are there? Well, there's 1 plus 1. That means 2 shares. 2 shares or parts. What's your share worth and your friend's share? Well, we're sharing £100 divided by 2 people, or £100 divided by 2 parts, is £50. And my friend would also get £50. Now in question 2, £100 is shared in the ratio 2:3. How many parts are there now? Well, I can see 2 parts and 3 parts, makes a total of 5 parts. How much is each part worth? Well, we're sharing £100 and we have 5 parts, so we need to divide that £100 by 5. So each part is worth £20. How much is the bigger share? What's that worth? Well, the big share has 3 parts, and each part is £20. So we have 3 times 20 equals £60. And don't forget the pound sign in case you're asked for that in an exam question. And a slightly harder question. Tom, Dick and Harry share 120 in the ratio 6:4:2. Now we could simplify this to 3:2:1, but we could keep it as 6:4:2 because I can see that there are how many parts? Well, 6 plus 4 plus 2 equals 12 parts or 12 shares. And we're sharing £120. So each part is 120 divided by 12, and that's £10. So Tom gets 6 parts, £60, and Dick gets 4 times £10, pounds, not dollars. And Harry has 2 equals 20, and we can check by adding them all up. 60 plus 40 plus 20 gives a total of £120. So we can check our answer. Now we have some best buys. Tesco sell a box of 40 tea bags for £2.40. And they also sell a value box of 80 tea bags for £4. So which box is the better value? Well, I think with this kind of question, we need to work out how much would 1 tea bag cost. And the box of 40 tea bags costs £2.40, which is the same as 240p. And there are 40 tea bags. So 1 tea bag would be 240p divided by 40, and that's 6p per bag. And the value box sells for £4, which is the same as 400p. And to find out how much 1 bag would cost, we would take 400p and divide that by 80 tea bags, and we get 5p per bag. So which box is the better value? No surprise, the value box is better value because each bag costs 5p. And we're done. Thanks for watching.